Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have an unboxing, pretty decent sized box by Man Crates. Now Man Crates, I'm doing a campaign with them for Father's Day and we're gonna see what it's about. We're gonna open this baby up and see what we got. Oh my god. We have to open it with this thing. Oh, okay. This is gonna be crazy. So anyways, here's like a little postcard of the place or wherever it's coming from. A freaking wooden box. It's gonna be a disaster. I can already tell it's gonna be a disaster. Okay, maybe I should have opened it from the bottom. Oh my god. This is how it comes. Look at this. I think I'm gonna have to be opening it with this thing here. Hold on, let me show my Snapchats what's going on. Alright guys, well I'm filming the unboxing for this, and this is how it came in. And I have to open it with this thing. This is wood, all wood. Man Crates. Guys, well I'm filming the unboxing for this, and I guess, oh, what if this is not even, wait, this tells you that I can't do any manly work, honestly. Oh wait, maybe it's this side. Maybe not. Oh my god. It is, guys, I think. Oh, this is so difficult! See my face right now. I'm sweating. I'm sweating trying to open this thing. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. This is the most difficult unboxing I've ever done. Alright, so let's continue with this. I just had to take a thumbnail for this. And I believe we're still going this way. This is difficult, y'all. This is difficult, man. This is difficult, everyone. I can't even imagine. Here we go. This is a good Father's Day thing because not only it comes with this handy dandy thing, like there's no manlier way to open such a thing. So they have tons of stuff that you can order through Man Crates. I'm gonna leave everything down below if you guys want to check it out. They have from like beef jerky or how to make your own beer, from a selection of the peanuts, nuts, whatever you like. Whatever you like. I chose this one because, I mean, come on. Love it, and you'll see what it is in a bit as soon as I just open this shit. Hold on, let me get Snapchat on here. Anyways, let me tell you guys, back to this. I cannot. This is for a Father's Day campaign, and I get the idea, very manly type of box. This is gonna be a very manly unboxing, and you'll see on my channel. This is not working for me. Oh, here we go. I think. Oh my god. How is this side? This is not even there. Okay, here we go, I think. We got it. We got it. Ah! Here we go, guys. We're almost there. Look at this mess I have. Oh my god. Look at this. Now that we got this thing removed, let's get rid of it. Oh wow. So it's the Whiskey Appreciation Crate. That's what it's telling me on here. Which they just sent me a bottle of whiskey, I'm assuming. Are you guys ready? Is it an empty bottle of whiskey? Because I don't see the whiskey anywhere. So this is supposed to be my initials, Tonydelarocha, but it was supposed to be Tonydelarocha, but it's TR, Tonydelarocha. That's my initials on this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's just my name. On both of them. Look at this. Oh wow. So it's a little booklet in here. I'm assuming for whatever whiskey. Oh, I get it. I don't think there is a whiskey. I don't think there's whiskey in here. You put whiskey of whatever preference you want. So I thought it came with whiskey, like actual whiskey in here, but apparently it doesn't, which is kind of disappointing, but it does come with the bottle like I was showing you. It comes with something that can make you help do some, to make that ball of ice or whatever. And then it comes with pistachios from the actual pistachio brand. It comes with pecans. I call them pecans. You guys call them pecans or pecans? Well, it comes with pecans. They have cranberries, black pepper, orange zest, so they're like kind of sweet and salty, I'm assuming. That's hilarious. It's the same ones that I have in my coaster. That's so weird. I like the fact that both of the cups have my name on them. So it's Tony's Distilled Spirit. Fresh quality Tony's cup. So that's pretty much all I got in this box, which, I mean, it was a bitch to open. Thank you to the guys over at Man Crate. So if you guys want to get your dad or your grandpa or your partner or anybody in your family a Father's Day gift, go to the website down below. You guys can check it out. They have tons of crazy things. From making your own pizzas, and they all come in a box just like this one. I'll put all their information down below so you guys can go check it out. But yeah, once again, thank you Man Crates for sending me this to unbox for everybody on YouTube. And if you guys want to see more unboxing videos, then go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and don't forget to share this video for all the fathers out there. For hey Google, when is Father's Day?
Father's Day is on Sunday, June 17th, 2018.
Sunday, June 17th. So don't forget to get something for your dad or your grandpa or anybody that you want to gift something to. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.